schnell suchen. Du gehst einfach Gritty Bounce ein. Einfach suchen, Gritty Bounce und dann solltest du es finden. Ja, musst auf dem Kanal siehst du das Live-Video noch nicht, erst wenn es beendet ist, glaube ich. Weißt du, wie ich meine? Hä? Hast du es gefunden? Hm?
Down at our level are the teams, and Ray Ferraro is there as well. We'll get his take on things shortly. You cut it a little close, didn't you? But you're here, and so are we. Eddie Olczyk, Ray Ferraro, and me, Mike Emrick. Game just started. Looks ahead to start something. Two sticks together, it goes to the offense. Ottawa's in their own end and shifting gears.
So.
Oh, broke it up. Ottawa's in possession as they travel through the neutral zone. On through the corner. Puck covered, whistle blown. And we're happy to have Ray Ferraro with us as well. He is down near the ice.
There's not very many games you can put in the win column if your special teams aren't very good. You have to at least be able to play even most nights with the other team on the power play and penalty kill if you expect to win.
Thanks very much, Ray. Nice play with the stick. Nothing more will come. The Wood hands wheel one ahead up the wing. Good jab with the stick there. Trying to go to Couturier. Moves up the side with it now. Oh, and here's a 3-on-2. Right into the slot. Directing that one to Ribeiro. Pitching it to Forsberg. Right in front. Marvelous save. That one.
You don't get many better opportunities than that. Great save.
Ottawa's moving
Fucking
the puck
save,
to their
man.
own. Possession taken up in the neutral zone by Yossi. Heads on to the corner. Oh, and the pass wouldn't go. The Wood hands on the move through center. That one dropped back into the opposite corner. Laid on to Gilbert. Gets on by. Good centering pass to the slot. Outstanding save with the glove.
That was all positioning right into his glove.
The Wood hands have it in their own end. Heads to the front.
Nein, fuck. Schlecht.
Grabbed by Bortuzzo. Out of their own end and still with it. Ottawa's continuing on through center ice. Gets in. What'll he do? Save. Possession now on the pickup by Filppula. Moving it to Verbata. He's into the slot. At the front of the net.
Jawohl, baby. Johnny Gaudreau.
Here for his team, ending a scoreless game.
There was a feeling out process until that first goal of the game.
New Jersey's got another face-off win. Pass attempt to Barkov. And he is reefed.
He might have seen him at the last minute to absorb that.
Terrific hand-eye. Back in his defensive end to get it. Ottawa's continuing on at center. Good work there. Puck is thrown to Zuccarello. Between the blue lines. Knocked it away with the stick. And he's held up against the boards.
Ja, aber nicht dort hinten. The fuck?
The puck corralled in his own end by Alex Pietrangelo. Still has control through center. It's an odd man rush. It's a 3-on-2. Big drive. Score!
Yes, was ist das ein Goal? Aber geil. Nehme ich, ist gekauft.
When you take your stick and knock the puck out of midair, it's going to knuckle all over the place.
A face-off win. Let's see what develops. Used the stick well, didn't he? That one by Roussel. Great move there. Just couldn't find the target.
You have to give yourself a chance. That puck cannot miss the net like that.
Steps between the circles.
Okay.
Wonderful save. What a skill level there.
You want to score goals, you have to go to this area.
Eklund's caught a stick up high. There will be a penalty. Krug's got a minor penalty. He'll sit 2 minutes for high sticking. And so begins power play number 1. Let's see if it's power play goal number 1. To the slot. Dropped on back further. Passing one off now to Yurko. What a rip!
Jawohl.
He left the post with that one.
So Goal komme ich sonst immer über.
Face-off win, and now what will they do with it? Ottawa's
Ja, im Finale, da muss man die dreckigen Goal machen, weißt du? Da muss man die wüsten Goal machen. Keine schöne Goal.
shooting. Oh, stick save.
Was habe ich müssen?
Wonderful stop.
Anklopfen.
Big time save. Big
Aha,
time
ja.
sitter.
Nice play by the goaltender to freeze it up and get a whistle.
Ottawa's got another win. Pitching this one to Everly. Great chance here, 2-on-1. Got on by with that one.
Schade.
Great job at center ice. First period is in the books. So are a lot of goals. Just on one side of the ledger. Second period has begun.
Ist machbar.
Lead has been built up thus far. Let's see if it continues.
Okay.
Good,
Uh-oh.
great save, point blank.
Not a lot of room to score from in that
Should
area.
get lost.
Great save.
Good clean win on the draw. Chip to Barkov. Poke checked away by James Neal. He's held up there. He can start some danger here. Looking for a better lane. Polak's tripped up. That should be a penalty. New Jersey's only going to get 2 minutes on this call, but it was tripping. There's always a start to your power play night, and this is number 1. The Wood Hens with a clean win on the draw. Looking to Verbata.
Was meinst du? Höre ich fast nicht im Fall.
Puck corralled by Bortuzzo.
Sehr viel besser. Ja.
Could not be filtered through. A strong play by Hamhuis.
Mal jetzt verhauen, kann ich sagen. Ja.
Steps
Der andere muss
between
einfach
the
annehmen.
circles.
Also weißt du, er muss
Forcing
eigentlich die
attention
Schlägerei
to the-
akzeptieren.
What a hit.
Oh, he's been looking for that hit all night.
Oh, fuck the hell.
Breakaway. Wonderful stop by Schneider.
Jawohl, Baby.
New Jersey's organizing things back in the defensive zone. Now it's directed to Verbata. New
Oh,
Jersey's
come on.
gotten back even. Penalty kill.
Ich kann den Scheibe nicht annehmen.
And they've got a 3-on-2 here. Wonderful chance was set up and the pass just goes wide. He drives toward the slot. Oh, here's a wrister. And
Ja,
that
wow.
shot missed.
And this is
Wonderful work in close and
Dann komme ich mit euren Menge Schüsse immer.
talk about cutting down the
So
angle.
auf die Eier.
Perfectly executed by the goaltender.
snapping a pass to Forsberg.
Und der verliert die Scheibe beim
Ottawa's in their
Trick.
own end, continuing on. Looking for options in neutral ice. Moves to the corner. punched away. Ottawa's got it in the defensive zone. Puck is seized by Mike Camilleri. Snapped up that right wing to Eric Stahl. And he pushes it on through mid-ice. Not a long pass, but effective. He's got it. Slid to Vermette. Perfect receipt of the pass. Enormous collision.
Oh, come on. Der kann mich immer einfach ein bisschen anblasen und ich gehe gerade um. Das ist ein Hit, Mann.
Better get your head up. That's a solid hit that he had to take there.
New Jersey setting things up through the neutral zone. Gets across, looks over his options. And the puck is scooped up by Leddy. Pointed to Zuccarello. Off a body. Trying to go to Roussel. And he slides it through mid-ice. Lets it fly. Acrobatic stop by Schneider.
Schneider's athleticism allowed him to make that outstanding save.
Great scoring chance here.
Jawohl.
That's 4 straight.
Die halbe Miete, Boys.
New Jersey's got a large lead in this game. Let's see if they can build on it.
Aber weiter, weiter. Es muss weitergehen.
Great scoring chance here.
Ja, eben. Das ist ein Linke. Die andere steht ja dort, ich verstehe. Egal. Whatever. Ja, wenn bei mir auch mit der Verteidiger so beim Stürmer steht, dann kommt mein Pass nie an. Aber ist egal.
Ottawa's accelerating ahead through center ice. He's going to the net. The puck is scooped up by Neal. That puck out of play over the glass, and a young lady
war
from
das.
Shawinigan. We're just under 5 minutes to go in the period. Is this the worst lead in hockey? 3 goals and snapped up by Fall. Big drive. Outstanding save. What magic even to get there and get the shot off.
The goalie makes
Oh.
himself look big.
Kessler's headed to the penalty.
Jetzt läuft's aber gerade, hä?
Ottawa's power play gets another chance to operate. Hasn't been effective yet. New Jersey's in possession as they travel in their own end.
Ja, der kann schieben.
Blue line control. Ottawa's continuing to probe up the wing. 2-on-1 opportunity. Solid defensive play to break up the rush. Got a piece of it. Way there, but he got the whistle and stoppage of play.
So habe ich aber es auch gehabt.
Quick work on the face-off. He's right in front. Simple play. Made well. Strong defense.
Jo.
And he's hammered.
Whoa, guys, he didn't see him coming until
Ja, aber das ist eine verdammte Strafe. The fuck?
He heads right for the net. Oh, what a move.
Ah, jetzt schiebt er nicht mal, Mann. Der lässt mich einfach voll
It's a
Gas um.
2-on-2. What do they do next? Oh, and he is drilled.
Another big hit, boys. Man, we've seen a ton of those in this period.
The Wood Hams have killed it all.
Oh, das ist... Mein Gott.
Good, solid defensive play with the stick. And it's pitched up the middle to
Oh, oh.
Roussel. A good reach prevailed. Picks it up in his own end. Enormous hit. Outstanding save. Difficult opportunity.
Seems like he was in too tight on the goaltender.
Alright.
We played 2
Nehmen wir noch
periods
3.
here of a 3-period
Goal
game.
Vorsprung. Ein,
Best part of the
easy.
day
Alles gut,
is
alles gut.
coming up. Opening face-off of the 3rd period has started it. Right into the slot. Got it all.
Oh, that puck just hit his glove.
Pitching it to Gromlin. One into another. Drives to the net. Looks ahead to start something. On to Teravainen. Moving it to Barkov. Tip by the stick. That's just good fundamental defense. On through the corner. Can he generate something? Terrific save with a pad.
Wer bist du?
Just drilling the opposition by a score of 4-1. He got in. Speeds right on goal.
Oh, aber schießt doch, hey. Hast keinen Bock zum Tore schießen?
Loose
Was
puck
war
taken
das?
by Couturier. Ottawa's got it and moving it through the neutral zone. Laid up that right side to Neal. At the front of the net.
Jawohl, das ist ein Tor, mein Freund. So,
Neutralized face-off win.
das Pastetli ist gegessen, meine Freunde. Bratwurst, ja.
Got the pad on it. Possession once again by Filppula. Oh, terrific save on a great
Also,
chance.
A quick developing play right
ich
in
will es jetzt nicht verfluchen, aber wenn ich das verliere, dann habe ich ein Problem. Spiele ich nie mehr NHL.
Took a quick look, saw enough that he wants to retreat. Oh, that's good. Oh, the pass just didn't work.
Oh, du Lucky Best. Schau jetzt, wieder fast zu so einem Lack-Goal gekommen.
Laid on to Hagelin.
Genau so ein Goal, das ich eben überkomme.
Nice pass right up the gut. Right on his stick on the centering pass. Shook through.
Ja,
Big pad save.
so die grusigen halt.
Pass attempt to Camilleri.
Camilleri.
Solid work defensively by Helm.
Oh.
The Wood Hands organizing back in their own end. Moving along in the defensive zone. Moving it on up the wing. Puck is thrown to Camilleri. Drives to the crease. Passing one off now to Roussel. Good job off that left wing and a perfect pass. New Jersey's
Yeah,
looking
that's
to
back-checking,
go
my
on
friend.
and shifting gears.
Oh,
he loses
tot.
it. He tried to do too much.
Dead End, Mann.
Good jab of the puck. And the possession taken up by Eric Stahl.
Ich habe meinen eigenen Spieler in den Tod gefahren. Mann.
Pitching this one to Eric Stahl. Jabbed away by Bortuzzo. Those big pillows
Oi,
on his
oi.
legs came in handy then. Taken to the corner by Zuccarello. Pass cut.
Aber schwer, ja.
Ottawa's moving the puck through center ice.
Oh, du Holzer, Mann.
It's going to be a penalty. New Jersey's got a 2-minute minor on the slasher.
This power play is too predictable. They have to find a way to
Ich habe
change
den
it up.
Kopf ab machen, Mann.
Absolutely. I think you're right, Eddie. Let's see what the team does here. Out in the slot.
Ja, was willst du? Machst du so Goal-Amix oder was?
Really good move. Oh, I'll bet they had his number before
Yeah,
the game.
no.
They've sure hit it. New Jersey's controlling play now through neutral ice. In on the 2-on-2. Can they get reinforcements here? Carried to the corner
Huh?
by Kessler. Chip the Gronman. Oh, and he's hammered.
Wenn ich jetzt gewinne?
He was going to escape there. He got knocked on his
Keine Ahnung, was die Belohnung ist im Fall.
Really good move.
Wahrscheinlich einfach Coins.
Together with force. Big force.
Nein, also zum 16 habe ich noch nie Playoffs gespielt. Ne?
Solid deke by Camilleri.
Oh, so ein Pisser.
Back to full strength. They've killed off the penalty. Carries it up the side.
Oh, 3 gegen 0. Oder? Und er macht sie nicht. Er ist so ein Mist.
Outstanding save.
Oh,
A missed opportunity from this close in.
Marched narrowly inside. Fanoff stripped and a penalty should be coming. Play is stopped.
Das kannst du
There's
haben.
a signal we just wanted to see.
Jetzt muss ich noch das Timeout nehmen. Das geht so nicht. Keine Puste
He's
mehr.
taking off.
Keine Puste mehr.
With a face-off win. To Couturier. Oh, what a play.
Jetzt gehe ich nur noch auf Hits, Mann. Das ist mir scheißegal.
To Helm. Patted away.
Oh, recht.
Passes to the slot.
Nur noch Hits. Komm.
Looking to Camilleri. New Jersey's moving the puck through center ice. Right in front.
Oh,
Glove save.
das geht.
There was some
And there
Ja, ja.
is the highlight
Er hat
reel.
so Glück.
You talk about scrambling mode. What a save.
Right into the slot.
Ja,
Right
baby.
into the post. So we're into the last minute. All is academic here. Hoping to recoil back in his own end. Now it's directed to Camilleri. 2-on-1. Over. He's into the slot. Blocked. pinned to the glass. Ottawa's power play ends, and it shouldn't have begun. The puck is fielded now by Yossi.
Meinst du, wer du bist, Mann?
Keeps it going in their own end. Heads to the front.
Oh. Kann ich so noch wieder stuhlen?
Through the neutral zone.
Oh, du wärst du gewesen.
Outstanding pass. He's got it right off that right wing.
Ja, der hätte die umgebracht, wenn er gerade rausgefahren wäre.
He could start some danger here.
Yes, baby!
And the game is over. Ottawa's got a loss. This game was over a long
Brutal.
time ago.
Very disappointing effort.
Nie mehr gespielt, schnell Playoffs gewonnen. Das ist ja Wahnsinn. Ist ja Wahnsinn. Hä? Ob ich zum ersten Mal gewinne? Nein, das schon nicht. Aber ich habe jetzt einfach nie mehr gespielt, seit einem Monat oder so, oder mehr.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. For Eddie and Ray, Doc saying good.
Nein, mehr wahrscheinlich, 2 Mal. Ich will das jetzt schon geschaut. Digga, Trophy. Ja, aber kommt da jetzt nicht einmal ein Video, wo ich den Pokal habe und so. Das ist ja wieder mies. Nicht. Frechheit. Statistisch bin ich ja voll unterlegen, Mann. Aber hey. Ja gut. Ich brauche einfach wenig Chancen. 14 Schüsse, 5 Goal. Right. Bamal. Playoffs gewonnen. 1000 Coins komme ich über. Was ist denn das für ein Schund? Ja, das ist ja nichts. 2-1. Hey, der erste Match war wirklich der schwierigste. Ja gut, jetzt habe ich halt eben müssen wieder reinkommen und so. Aber gleich der erste Match 2-1 nach Verlängerung gewonnen. Nachher 5-1, 4-1, 5-1. Halt. Nicht einmal einen Shutout habe ich gemacht. Hey, wie schlecht ist denn das? Ja, und jetzt? Kann ich da neu anfangen, oder nicht? Haha. 1000er wirklich, ey. Nein, das ist nicht. Hä? Das ist nicht. Aber easy, ja. Playoffs gewonnen, freut mich. Trophy geholt heute Abend. Was willst du mehr? Jeden Tag eine Trophy, ist mein Ziel. Völlig unverhofft ist die jetzt gekommen. Ja, easy, dann mache ich da mal Schluss. Nicht schon. Meinst du da mal Schluss, meine Freunde? Hat mich gefreut, haben dazu geschaut. Bei meinem Schundspiel. Aber haben wir gesehen? Ich bin immer noch der Meister. Von allen, die ich kenne. Ich nehme gerne Herausforderungen an. Ciao.